Sorry for the interferences. Dr. Jaibal sir explained about plasma nanomaterials and their structure-activity relationship, platinum nanocomposites and its various applications. How DFT studies helps to improve the electrocatalyst. How DFT studies helps to improve the electrocatalyst and here provides tips for writing research articles which will help the young researchers, those who are struggling to publish in referred journals. Dr. Pandikumar sir elaborated methods and mechanisms to production of hydrogen and its importance. If we successful in generating the hydrogen from water in large scale will lead clean flow, and also briefs about dye-sensitized solar cells and photoelectrochemical mechanisms. Dr. Sahaya Dennis Babu deliberated the perovskite solar cells and its applications. Dr. Manoj Ragla sir explained about solar fuel generations using semiconductor materials, polyoxometallate metal oxide hybrid materials for water splitting and other applications. Finally, Dr. Jagadambal ma'am providing practical session on yoga for faculty members. In this pandemic, the physical and mental stress is unavoidable. So our yoga session teaches some stress relieving. Now it's time to show our gratitude as vote of thanks. On behalf of the management and the PG Department of Chemistry, Nallamuthukaundar Mahalingam College, and my own behalf, I consider it is a great pleasure and privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and a successful event. For the AICT Atal Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on novel materials for next generations from 26th to 30th July. A great success. I take immense pleasure to thank our management of Nallamuthukaundar Mahalingam College for providing necessary arrangements and support to conduct this program smoothly. My heartfelt thanks to AICTE Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi for providing financial assistance to conduct this program through online. I record my deep sense of gratitude towards our respected principal in charge, Dr. Anthony Selvadas Dhanamani sir. He is a dynamic and flexible person in all academic matters. Thank you, sir, for being with us. I am very much thankful to Dr. Saravana Babu, Dean Academics, Dr. S. Mohabadi, Dean Research, for continuous support and advices which have greatly helped towards the successful organization of this FDP and their support in all occasions. Thank you, sirs. I thank our chief guest of inaugural address, Dr. A. Pallavisam, sir, former Dean, College Development Council, former Registrar in charge of Manoanmaniam Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli, for accepting our invitation and gracing the inaugural function and sharing their valuable thoughts. Thank you, sir. I warmly and respectfully thank the valedictory address chief guest, Professor C. Sanjeev Raja sir, Emeritus Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Alagappa Chettiar Government College of Engineering and Technology, Karaikudi, for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest for the valedictory address and equipped us with your valuable knowledge sharing. Thank you, sir. My heartiest thanks to all our resource persons, Professor R. Ramaraj, Professor of Eminence and DIE Raja Ramanno Fellow, Department of Chemistry, Madurai Kamaraj University, Dr. K.P. Ilango, Professor, Department of Chemistry, Gandhigram Rural Institute, Gandhigram, Dr. N. Ponpandian, Professor and Head, Department of Nanoscience and Technology, Bardiyar University, Coimbatore, Dr. I.V. Muthuvijayan Inoj, Technology Head, Center for Nanoscience and Genomics, Karunya Institute of Technology and Science, Coimbatore, Dr. S. Jaibal, postdoctoral researcher, School of Mathematics and Physics, University of Science and Technology, Beijing, China. Dr. A. Pandikumar, scientist, electro-organic and materials, electrochemistry division. CSIR, Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Manoj Rakla, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, IMT Institute of Applied Sciences, Amity University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Dr. G. Sahaya Dennis Babu, Assistant Professor, Industrialization Center for Applied Nanoscience, Chettinad College of Engineering and Technology, Karur. Dr. S. Jagdambal, Assistant Professor, Department of Yoga for Human Excellence of our college, Pollachi. Their lecture, which was given by the all resource person, was an interesting and inspiring one. Words are not sufficient to thank the professors and students for spending their valuable time for beneficial cause. The interaction of the professors are really outstanding. Now I am pleased to thank all the faculty members, research scholars and PG students registered from 20 states in various parts of India. Their active participation and cooperation is highly acknowledged. The participants were very enthusiastic. Without them, the event will not be successful. I am sure that all the participants must have benefited by attending this FDP. Thank you for registering and supporting us. I will be falling in my duty if I don't underline a very important role played and the tireless efforts to bring success to this FDP made by Mrs. K. Vimala Devi, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Chemistry, Mrs. R. Mini, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Chemistry, Mrs. M. Anushya, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Chemistry, Nallamattu Mahalingam College. It has been a real pleasure to work with these very fine and capable faculty members. Thank you, my dear friends. My heartfelt thanks goes to Ms. Sakti Kirba, Research Scholar, Department of Computer Science, and Mr. Vishnu, System Administrator, for their technical help and support during entire FTP. Thank you both. Last but not least, I thank my family and all faculty members' family for their adjustment of late night meals and sleep. Thank you all. Once again, I thank all each and everyone for attending the FDP and help to make great success. Thank you all.
Dear participants, we are almost going to the end of our program. We are expecting your valuable feedback about our FDP. Anyone want to put your feedback? If you want to deliver feedback in this forum, you can kindly forward to share your values with us. All attendees mics are enabled, so anyone in this forum can speak. Thank you. Dear participants, those who want to share your comments, kindly forward and speak. Your votes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
All the sections were very useful and very interesting. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Geeta Mani, ma'am. Thank you very much for your valuable feedback.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm Maivuli from Vellalar College for Women, E-Road.
Thank you,
Thank you for your wonderful FDP, And Pongadi ma'am, thank you so much. Pongadi ma'am and your team. And all the 5-day session are very informative. And we gain more knowledge about research. This was really helpful for young, especially for young researchers. Thank you so much for your team, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Happy to hear from you. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Prithvi,
Good
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all. First of all, I would like to thank the team for their effort. Really, it was fruitful. All the sessions were informative. We gained a lot of knowledge, and we came to know about the latest R&D activities that is going on. Many people they have shared nice. They have shared nice screen, nice PPT. Thank you, the team, for their effort. Really, it was effective, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You're from where, ma'am?
Ma'am, this is Dr. Pratibha Kar from GIET University, Gunapur, Odisha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your nice words. Dear participants, any feedbacks from your side?
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir. Subramaniam, sir.
Yeah,
Subramani, sir.
yeah, sir. This is Subramani from APS Polytechnic, Bangalore, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have, especially I will congratulate and thankful to the Nallamuttu Gounder Mahalingam College. They organized well this Atal sponsored program, faculty development program. So especially what we have, they given more importance to this novel materials like nanomaterials, the field of research area. Recent research advanced in the nanomaterials, especially in the biomedical applications. Once again, I'm thankful to the behind this your college and the team members organized well, and we also updated our current knowledge regarding this future knowledge novel materials, ma'am. Once again, I'm thankful to your team, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your words, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is Dr. Somam Kundu from West Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it was my first FDP, and when I was a PhD scholar, I have attended so many workshops and so many seminars, but it was special for me, and we got enriched from this actually resource person, and they have shown their enlightened research work, and we have seen what is going on nanomaterials in India. It was very good, and I congratulate the team and the NGM college, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your nice words, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
This is Rathinam from Ishwar College of Engineering, Kanathikadagu, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I extend my thanks to all the resource person and the organizing committee who organized this event successfully.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Dear participants, any other feedback? Really, we are blessed to have various participants all over the India. We received about 200 registration from 20 states in India, and all the members were effectively interacted and supported for our FDP program. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation and support in this regard. We are blessed to have such a teaching and research community. We always keep in touch with you. Thank you for all your support. Any other comments, feedback?
Good evening, madam. I am Ramesh from Nehru College, Tiruchirappalli, madam.
Yes, sir.
I do the research to nanoparticle, so very helpful for this FTP, my research work, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Now we are posting the assessment link, feedback and attendance come feedback link. You will be provided with 2 links. The assessment link will be active for 1 hour. So kindly put your answers and submit within 1 hour time. And the feedback link will be active for few more minutes, so no problem. You first complete your assessment, but you should complete feedback link, and after that you should submit the feedback in Atal FDP portal. Then only your certificate will be available. It will be in dashboard. When you log in Atal FDP Academy website, you can see on the left side feedback icon. There you have to submit your valuable feedback that will be observed by Atal FDP. And thank you for your support once again. And regarding your certificates, we have to verify your attendance, and then we will upload all your details, assessment marks in the Atal FDP website. They will go through the marks and attendance. We are sharing the recorded video links in Atal FDP forum. After verification of all these, they generate certificate for you. It will take at least 1 week, I think. Sometimes for I too attended to FDP. Sometimes within 3 or 4 days certificate is coming, but in some FDP it takes 2 week time depending on the availability and of the Atal FDP members. So we will quickly within 2 days we will complete our side. We will upload the mark and attendance. After that they will proceed. In the meantime, when we if the certificate is downloadable, definitely we will inform through our WhatsApp group. You remain in the WhatsApp group until received the certificate. Then you can leave the WhatsApp group. Before downloading the certificate, you should verify yourself, name, mobile number, email ID and college details. Some of are editable, and we have no link between the certificate and program. We are assigned for doing the program only. Regarding all certificate enquiries, it is managed by Atal FDP in the website itself. They provided supporting team mail IDs. So kindly ask your queries in the Atal FDP website if you have any correction in the certificate. But better you go through all your entered detail before downloading the certificate. All the instructions are available in the Atal FDP forum itself, website itself. So kindly go through the assessment and feedback. Then after Atal FDP feedback. Have a nice year ahead, dear participant. Stay safe and be with us. Be in contact with us. When we organize any other program, we will intimate you. Thank you, one and all.
Madam, assessment link will be sent in which group, madam?
Now it is posted in the chat box, sir. Assessment link is posted in the Microsoft Teams chat box. Dear friends, kindly find it and fill it. From now, the time starts and it will end in 1 hour. After 1 hour, you cannot able to submit your assessment.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The assessment link is not opening, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. I am checking here.
Kindly check, ma'am.
It is validating URL is showing, madam.
Ma'am, please repost the link, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes. It is
I have a suggestion.
issue. Just a minute,
Excuse me.
sir. We will repost.
Excuse me.
Yes,
I
sir.
have a suggestion.
Yes.
All
Yeah, ma'am.
all the participants are requested to copy the link and paste it in the Google Chrome or any other browser. Then you can directly open it.
Yes,
Just not
sir.
clicking it.
Microsoft Team is asking for authentication.
Ah,
That's why
yes.
it is not opening.
That's why it will take time.
Yes, sir. You just copy and paste it in Google or Chrome or any other browser. It is opening. I to check it is opening. You just copy directly. Don't open from chat box.
Ma'am, please repost the link, ma'am, again.
It's already posted, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not visible because there was discontinuity in the talk, no? During that time, we had disconnected and rejoined. So we are not able to see the link.
Okay, ma'am. Just check the chat box now. Just now we posted one link.
You have posted, madam. Check it.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Dear participant, don't share the assessment link to any others, as we are not expecting anything. We have to learn from the sections. That's it. Without learning, we cannot get certificate and it will not be fair. That's why we are not posting the assessment link in the group. As 200 participants are enrolled, only 120 or 130 are continuously attending the FDP. We all have some commitments, or somebody are working in a college or a research institution. We have very difficulty in finding permission to attend this. With all these struggles to enrich our knowledge and experience, we are attending the FDP. So without attending or putting effort, directly getting certificate means it will not be fair, or it will not be a valuable certificate. That's why we are not posting in the public forum. Sorry for any inconveniences. Thank you one and all.
Ma'am, it's not visible. Please post it again.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It is
It is not visible.
Chat box. I didn't find